Well, we've just got the team sheets in. Let's see how they'll line up. The home team has gone with a strong lineup here. The sides are playing 3-4-3. Plenty in attack and maybe lacking in defence. So we're off. Which way will this game go? Bale on the ball. This player is taking on great chance here. And the referee has pointed to the spot. It's a penalty. What will he do here? Power or placement? Well, the keeper was well beaten. Sends it long. Striker's ball. Good defending. Tackled by Pepe. Striker's ball. The shot's on. Bale shoots. Well, the keeper was well beaten. It's with the defender now. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Now Shaqiri. What a well-timed tackle. Bale on the ball. Oh, that was nice. Suarez. Away. PK. Oh, look at great chance here. Well, it's gone out of play. Bale with the corner. And that's into the box. It's Pepe. Sommer with an outstanding stop. His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff. Let's see that one again. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got that goal. We're back underway. It's with the striker. Defender then back on the ball. Oh, determined challenge there. He's knocked it long. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Oh, he did really well there. PK. Oh, that's confident goalkeeping there. Striker's ball. Oh, it's a clear chance, and this is a world-class finish. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. It's 2-0 now. Passed well. Defender regains possession, and now they'll try and break. It's with the striker. What a well-timed tackle. Great chance here. Oh, it's a penalty. Oh, it's a straight red. He's off. Which way is he going to put it? And they score from the penalty spot. Let's see that again. Fourth official has indicated 1 minute of stoppage time. It's becoming a bit embarrassing for the opposition here. Yet another goal from this brilliant player. And there's the half. Well, it's 3-0. Surely no chance for a comeback for the losing team. Now Shaqiri. Oh, well timed. defender now. This is Xhaka. It's with the defender now. He's found an opening. Here's the shot. Good effort there. Easy decision here. It's a goal kick. Let's see that one again. The keeper plays it short there. Pepe. This is Lemina. Good interception. Great chance. They're going for goal. It's tight. Good call by the referee's assistant. I'm not so sure about that one. Let's see how close it was. It's with the striker. Oh, he's onside here. He must score. Shoots.